Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode on UK. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for ChatGPT and download the application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the Open button. And now what you need to do is on the bottom right, simply tap on this little Voice Memo tab and then you can talk to it. Hey GPT, I'm making a video on how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode on UK, so can you tell me about it?
Absolutely. So using ChatGPT's voice mode on a device like the UK setup is pretty straightforward. Once you've got it on your device, whether it's the mobile app or desktop version, you can select the voice mode option, usually in the settings or on the main chat screen. Once it's on, you just tap the microphone and voila, your spoken words are transformed into chat. If you'd like, I can give you some tips on making the video flow
Nope,
smooth.
thank you. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.